third or fourth night. This will be, I think, the fourth night. Today we just went down to 13,000 feet and retrieved our gear cache. Not all of it, but we got about 10 days of food out of it. So there's like 12 days still left there that we can retrieve if we need it later. But we're kind of preparing to go up to 17K camp tomorrow. It's going to be a big 3,000-foot move into some thinner air and colder temperatures that are very affected by the sun. So when the sun is up, they might be okay, and then when the sun goes away, they will be very cold. So I'll have a second sleeping bag for that. We're electing just to bring one tent. We'll cache the other one down here, and then I'll sleep in the vestibule of the 3-man tent. And Nate, Ian, and Chris will be inside of the tent proper. I'll probably have my head inside of the zipper. And I'll have a trash bag for my feet that'll stick out of the vestibule. But that's a weight decision, because bringing the other tent would be like plus 8 pounds. And all the pounds count. So we're just going to bring what we need. We're bringing 3 nights of food. The plan is going to be to get up there tomorrow, and then spend the night, and then potentially push the summit the next day. Or maybe we'll sit there and acclimatize and then do the summit the following day, which would be on, see, tomorrow's Tuesday. We get to camp. Wednesday, we might just sit around. Thursday might be our summit day. And then Friday, we would be coming down with camp back to 14,000-foot camp here. The sun just went away, so I'll do a little spin around 14,000-foot camp here. It's one of the nicer views we've had this whole time, actually. There's over there, that's the edge of the world, kind of a little rock that people will walk to, and you can stare to 4,000-foot abyss. There is almost Denali. I think it's 1,000 feet higher, actually, and not seen. And then right near that tall rock is 17K camp. That is where we're going to hope to be tomorrow. And then you can see the trail here that goes up to the ridge. There's 2 people on it, apparently. And there's a fixed line, so there will be something for us to prusik up for, or Jumar up, for those final bits of elevation feet that are kind of on blue ice. Lower bit's fine. That's pretty low angle. But, yep, and then we'll camp up there. Maybe as much as 3 nights. That's how much food we're bringing, 3 nights of food. And it's already gotten really cold here, just this short amount of time that the sun dipped behind the ridge. We're partially packed, but we obviously can't get fully packed until we take the tents down. And we need to boil water for our water bottles tonight to make the morning process easier. So yeah, kind of we're putting a summit attempt a little bit faster than we would have thought. This is only day 10, and we've only been at 14K camp for 3 nights, and then tonight will be the 4th night. It would have been nice to acclimatize longer, but it kind of looks like there's going to be like a week and a half or 2-week storm window that we would have to sit out if we didn't try to hop on this window right now. And a lot of other people in the camp feel the same way, and they're trying to hop on the same window. A lot of them are actually already up there. They went up today because today was a nice day. But we couldn't go up today because we needed to retrieve our cache. And we haven't been at 14,000 feet too long, so it's good to acclimatize down here. We still got some of that in. But yeah, we are not bringing the Starlink up with us. That 30 pounds needs to stay down here. So for the next 3 or 4 days, You won't be hearing from us unless we turn around, or maybe if we get the summit a little early, maybe on the third day. Um, but yeah, wish us luck and very good weather because it's a pretty inhospitable place up at 16,000 feet. Um, and it'll be cold when it gets dark up there. And it'll be cold even when it's sunny, but it'll just be more manageably cold. So, yeah. See you guys. Bye.